Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm doing a collaboration with Caydo. They kindly sent me the new computerized smart embroidery machine CE01 and we are going to try it out. Personally, I have never used an embroidery machine before, so this is completely new territory for me. I'm inviting you to join me as I figure it out step by step, and hopefully it will inspire you to try something new too. In this video we are going to unbox the sewing machine, set it up together, test it out and see what kind of projects we can create. I will let you know how easy or tricky it is to use, and of course I will share my honest opinion at the end. Before we jump in, a quick note. If you want to try the machine for yourself, you can get 20% off your order with the link and code in the description and the pinned comment. Now, let me show you. This is the embroidery machine. My first impression is that it looks super sleek and compact, and the embroidery area is large. It comes with these two hoops, one small and another quite big. It also came with rolls of polyester thread, I love the colors, and also some pre-wound bobbin thread, which is very convenient. Oh, hello! Anyway, let's continue. What else do I have here? Some bolt drivers, thread scissors, tweezers, a pen for the screen, needles, more bobbins. It seems like a nice kit for beginners. It also comes with a U-disc so I can upload designs to the machine. I can't wait to try it out. Let's set it up now. Okay, that was quite similar to setting up a regular sewing machine. Now that it's ready, let's try different projects and see what this machine can do. This screen feels like a tablet. It comes with 10 language options and 130 built-in patterns, including letters, numbers, and all kinds of designs. I'm going to have a little fun exploring everything before trying out for the first time. To start off safely, I'm going to grab some leftover fabric scraps and try out a few of the built-in designs. One cool feature is that I can easily adjust the size, rotate the design, make it bolder, and even reposition it. I actually moved it around to perfectly cover a stain on the fabric. If this works, it might be a total game changer for rescuing stained clothes. Let's see how it goes. This was a nice first test to just get used to how the machine works. I didn't use any stabilizer this time, but the result is still surprisingly good. Probably because the fabric was thick enough. But for the next projects, I think it would be better to add some backing to protect the fabric and get cleaner results. Now that I've gone through the basics, I'm ready to level up a bit. Next up, I wanted to try downloading a design and importing it to the machine. I found a site with some really cute options and decided to go with these adorable strawberries. I downloaded the file and transferred it to a USB stick, super easy. For this project, I'm using an old basic t-shirt I had. I added a layer of stabilizer and secured everything with a hoop. This part was a bit tricky since the stabilizer wasn't sticky. It's probably better to use a self-adhesive embroidery paper. Once everything was hooped, I made sure there wasn't any fabric on the way and loaded the design from the USB. Learning something new, especially as adults, can feel intimidating, but it also opens up so much space for creativity, play, and growth. Mistakes are part of the process. Actually, they are where most of the learning happens. This experience has been a beautiful reminder that we don't have to be experts to begin. We just have to start, stay curious, and be willing to try. Nobody was an expert at first. And who knows, a whole new skill or passion might be waiting on the other side of that first step. It turned out so cute and it was really fun to make, not bad at all for a second attempt. Now I'm feeling ready to try creating my own designs and importing them into the machine. Okay, after watching a few tutorials, I downloaded a free software to digitalize embroidery patterns. I will leave the link in the description in case you want to try it too. Then I went to Pinterest to look for a design. This time I wanted to make a t-shirt for my partner Eneko. He loves turtles, so I picked a cute turtle illustration and uploaded it into the software. From there, I just had to trace the design using vector tools and export it in the right format. It was a bit tricky at first, I'm not gonna lie, but it's doable once you get the hang of it. Just to be safe and not ruin a good t-shirt, I tested the design on a kitchen napkin first. Once it looked good, I grabbed a t-shirt of his that has a hole to repair, added some stabilizer, hooked everything securely and hit start. Oh wow, so cute! I probably should have resized the design in the computer software instead of on the machine. It lost a little definition, but even so, this is definitely wearable. Such a rewarding new skill. I'm so grateful I got to try this. For my first time using an embroidery machine, I'm quite impressed. It has a bit of a learning curve, especially around the hooping and stabilizing your fabric properly, but once you figure that out, the possibilities are endless. Would I recommend it for beginners? Yes, as long as you're willing to play and experiment a bit. Making designs of your own will require some study and practice hours. Let me know in the comments which project you like the most. And don't forget, if you want to check out the Caydo CE01, I've left the 20% discount code and link in the description and pinned comment. Thank you again to Caydo for sending me the machine, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Adeu!